It's a new month, and that brings with it a new batch of films coming to you here on the Create Channel's Monday at the Movies. Tonight, we bring you the first animated film to be featured on this program, 1939's Gulliver's Travels. Produced by Fleischer Studios and released by Paramount, Gulliver's Travels is loosely based on the 1726 Jonathan Swift novel of the same name. The film was nominated for both Best Original Score and Best Original Song at the Academy Awards. However, it came up short as The Wizard of Oz swept both categories. In the wake of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs' success 2 years earlier, the demand for animated feature films rose dramatically. Fleischer Studios was one of Disney's main competitors at the time, and they seized the moment to make their own animated fantasy. They had already produced the wildly popular Popeye the Sailor cartoons, and so they thought that it would only be fitting to create a feature-length film. The film is mostly hand-drawn animation, but it does feature the heavy use of rotoscoping, a technique developed by Fleischer Studios for the titular character Gulliver. This technique really helps emphasize the differences between Gulliver and the people of the Lilliput Island, on which he has found himself. Despite critical and box office success, budget overruns and reprimands from Paramount spelled doom for Fleischer Studios. The company would release one more feature-length animated film in 1941 before being bought out by Paramount. And without further ado, we bring to you Gulliver's Travels from 1939 here on the Create Channel's Monday at the Movies. Enjoy!